at that Husqvarna 372 XP X Torq, the high torque motor, very popular chainsaw. Look at some of the features it has. Kill switch on the left, chokes on the right, operator presence lever, won't throttle up unless the hand is in place. Foot pad for starting this high compression motor on the ground, foot in place, good grip on the handlebars, push the decompression valve in, and you can start this high compression motor. Has the heavy duty filter system, very nice. Has the injector on the air box, keeps clean air flowing through to your air filter. Working chain brake, side load on the gas and oil reservoir, wrap handlebar, quiet tone muffler, large falling spikes, used 28-inch bar, 50 gauge, skip sequence, chisel bit, square tooth. Skip is the spacing between the teeth, very fast cutting chain. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up, right on the side your tensioner. Just a very nice saw if you're looking for one of those X Torq motors.